Protect our earth. Plant trees. There are so many different types of trees that grow all over the world. Trees provide home to many wild creatures, clean the air, and produce oxygen. A lot of birds build their nests on trees. Trees give us shade in the summer. Their leaves can be used for different purposes. The more the number of trees are planted, the cleaner the air will get. Having enough oxygen and reduced CO2 would make the air clean and free from pollutants. Planting more trees would not only help humans but all other living beings. Save water. Water is a natural resource that is essential for living on Earth. Without water, the Earth would be dry, and plants, animals, and humans would not be able to survive. Save energy. We should turn off electric appliances to save electricity when they are not in use. We also can save electricity by using energy-efficient refrigerators, air coolers, and air conditioners. Solar panels are a great alternative to reducing energy consumption. We can burn less fuel and conserve water to save electricity. Say no to plastic bags. Plastic bags are a major source of plastic pollution. We must stop using plastic bags to better our environment and save it from degradation. Paper bags and jute bags can be used to stop the usage of plastic bags. Use dustbins. A dustbin's purpose is to keep dirty and decaying waste materials separate from the rest of the clean surroundings. We shouldn't throw garbage on the roads and litter public places, and if we see waste anywhere near us, we should throw it into places specially made for keeping garbage, that is the public dustbins.